Hey guys, let's check out Virabhadrasana B or Warrior 2. You're going to find this in your standing series, sometimes in your Sun Bs, depending on your teacher. So again, we have a wide stance on your mat, nice and long. Awareness to your back foot first. Let it be parallel, the back edge of your foot parallel to the back edge of your mat. So toes pointing away. My left toes pointing to the left. Now awareness to your right foot, right toes pointing forward. You want your front heel in a straight line dissecting the middle arch of your back foot. From here, start to sink into your front leg. So you want your knee over your ankle. If you find yourself shooting forward, wriggle that front foot forward, sink in, have knee over ankle. Now bring awareness to your back leg. Switch on your thigh by lifting up your kneecap. Squeeze your glutes and feel like they're wrapping around your thigh bones, sending your tailbone down. Bring your hands to your hips and facing, your chest facing the direction your hips are, lengthen through your spine. Keep your shoulders over your hips. Now bring your arms in line with your shoulders. Check out that back arm first. Now draw your gaze to your front, looking over your front middle finger. Super tempting here to travel where your gaze is going and to lean forward. But try to keep spine nice and tall, shoulders over hips. Take an inhale, reach through your fingertips, lengthen through the crown of your head. Squeeze those glutes around your thighs and exhale, sink a little deeper. Warrior 2, Virabhadrasana B. Press into your front foot, gently come out. Try the other side.